Many times when running a Python program, you may want to incorporate a time delay in a process, whether it be to render some information outside the program or to temporarily pause the process. You can incorporate this delay with the sleep function of the time module. The time module allows utilization of various time-related operations, the sleep function being one of the most popular ones. The sleep function can suspend execution of code for a given number of seconds. So let's create a simple flashcard app to try it out. In this app, we will first ask a question. For example, what is the capital of the state of North Dakota? Then we'll wait for 3 seconds to give time to the user to guess, and then print out the result, which is Bismarck. To give a delay, we will first import the time module, which is a built-in module, and then between our two print statements, we will write the time.sleep function and then pass the parameter of 3, indicating 3 seconds. Let's run our code. Our first statement is printed, and then we'll wait 3 seconds. And our answer statement is printed. The sleep function can take either an integer or a float as the argument. If we wanted to wait 500 milliseconds, we could write this as 0.5 seconds. The sleep function uses the operating system's sleep function, which results in some limitations. For Windows, the smallest time interval is 10 to 13 milliseconds, but in Linux, it can be even further reduced to almost 1 millisecond. For more Python tutorials, like, share, and subscribe to the PyPros channel.